One quiet move, and this door is mine.
Why does that sound like the worst sentence ever? Tom, did you see that shadow move? Yes, and I would like it to stop right now. My heart is beating way too loud. Then stay quiet and listen.
We have to leave right now, and this is serious.
You two stay inside.
And don't open the door for anyone.
Tom, you are the man of the house while we are gone.
Wait, that sounds important and kind of awesome.
Both locks are on, and they stay on.
I know, Mom. I'm not 5. Anna, keep an eye on your brother, please. You mean all of my eyes, right? Please do not turn this into a disaster.
I am offended that you think that is possible. Breaking news. A dangerous bank robber is still on the run.
Wow, that got intense fast.
Police say the black scorpion tattoo is the key detail. A tattoo clue? Now this feels like a movie.
Man of the house means I protect this place. I'm not letting some robber beat me. Why is there a red bike outside our gate?
Helmet, dark clothes, nervous look. Not helping your case, buddy.
I can't see the tattoo, but the sneaky vibe is strong. I think that's him.
No need to involve Anna. I can do this myself. Heroes work alone all the time.
Oil on the floor, rope across the path, classic trap. This is genius, and maybe a little illegal.
One step, one slip, and boom, I win. Please let this work like in cartoons.
Whoa! What is happening? Gotcha, bank robber! You picked the wrong house today!
Tom, why is there a bucket on a person? Because I just saved the family.
I am not a robber. I am delivering pizza.
Oh no, Tom, please tell me you're kidding.
No tattoo, no weapon, just a very angry pizza guy.
I am so sorry. My brother made a terrible choice.
That is the nicest way anyone has described an attack.
I cannot believe I attacked a pizza man. You attacked him with kitchen supplies.
Fine, I made one mistake. That was not a small mistake, Tom. Why is there another weird guy outside? This neighborhood is stressing me out. He is hiding his hand. That has to mean something. Or it means he got hurt like normal people do. He covered the tattoo, I know it. This time, I am right.
No speeches, no mistakes, just a clean shot. I am ending this one fast. Sorry, fake police guy, game over. Please let my aim be amazing today. That was justice again.
Hey, what was that?
Do not move! I know your trick!
Are you serious?
Show me the scorpion tattoo.
That is my actual cut, you wild child.
Tom, that is a real injury.
It's just a scratch, Anna.
No, look at it. We need to get you to a doctor.
You are not helping! You are hurting people! I was trying to protect us. Being loud and fast is not the same as being brave. That was a hard sentence to hear. Maybe I am not good at this at all. Then stop trying to act alone. Fine, no more hero stuff. I am done messing up.
Nobody moves until we know who it is. That rule suddenly feels smart.
Just wait here. Right.
Police, we are checking the area for the bank suspect.
We should talk through the door only. He is a cop, not a random guy. But what if he's lying? Cops don't lie. Do they?
I need someone to place these flyers around the corner fast.
I will go, post them fast, and come right back. Fine, but no side missions and no hero ideas. This is simple, safe, and finally normal. No! I can handle posting paper.
Good. The noisy one is gone. Now, let's work.
2 locks, 4 seconds, not bad.
That is not Tom coming back. Oh! That is trouble. Stay calm, move smart, lock high. You can panic later. Hello, someone fake got into our house.
Electronics first, jewelry second, cash if I see it. Nice house, easy layout.
Clean grab, clean exit. This family made it too easy.
Why is this paper printed on both sides? That seems cheap for the police.
No way! That is our house! He planned this before today.
I sent myself away from the house. Anna is alone with him. Come on, Legs, do not fail me now. Please let Anna be okay. He is already taking our stuff. Do not rush. Think first. Fast and loud got me in trouble twice. This time I do it right. Okay, not a fight, just a delay. I can do a delay. 1 lock, 1 tree, 1 big surprise. Please stay hidden, Chain.
You little rat.
Tom! The police are coming!
Fine, I will leave with what I have. Move, you junk box! Trees are great security guards. What did you do?
This day has turned very annoying.
Keep moving, get out of the way. Move, move, move! Hurry up! Stop! Police! Not today, officers. Stay down!
All right.
I am sorry for not listening to you. Thank you, because today was a lot.
Doing something fast is not the same as doing it right.
Congratulations! Your brain finally caught up.